Now start.
Hey YouTube, so they wanted to do, we're gonna make
Cupcakes.
and we got this, so we're gonna see how they're gonna turn out to be. So we're gonna start our step one. Excuse us, we are on pajama bed ready.
Yeah.
So Amaya, here, you can start.
It's my mommy.
Put your bowl right there.
She's a great mommy. You should have her.
Yeah, we used to call her because when she was pregnant, she was so cool with me in her stomach.
When I was pregnant, I was so cool with you in my stomach.
Yeah.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
was kicking in your stomach.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how babies do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ew, don't taste that.
All right, so Amaya need a cup of water. So we're gonna get our cup. And give me a bottle of water, please, Ashton. So we have Amaya. Hey, girl.
Hey.
We have Aaliyah. Hey, girl.
Hey.
We have Anderson. Hey,
Hey,
Anders.
Hey, Anders.
And we have Ashton. Hey,
Ashton.
And their mommy. Hey, girl.
We don't have Ariana here.
Come on.
because she's
Yeah,
at work.
Ariana's not here. So
She's
we gotta
at
get,
work. Yeah.
so we gotta get a cup of water.
Finish it.
I'm going to let Amaya pour that. So there you go, Amaya. Pour.
She going for the
Alright.
wubba wop.
Now we need a half a cup of oil. And we're gonna let Aaliyah pour that one. So slide back Amaya so Aaliyah can pour.
And then can I answer, Mommy?
We'll see. Everybody will take chances. Turns.
Ow. I got 4 teeth loose.
4. Loose.
And 2 are growing at the bottom, and 2
Back,
at the
Amaya.
top are not.
So pour in a half a cup of vegetable oil.
That's slow or fast? Can you choose?
No.
Slow?
So you can pour it in there. And then we have to have 3 eggs. Ashton, will you do the honors of getting the eggs out?
I don't want to do it.
Okay, stop whining.
Can I do it?
Stop whining. Thank you.
This is our first video.
First video.
You gotta do more tomorrow.
Excuse me. No, I don't know about this. We have Aaliyah's awards program
Can I do
tomorrow.
one?
Yep.
It's made.
And me too.
Can I do
Oh, yeah,
one?
yours too.
And my birthday is December 11th. My birthday just passed.
Mommy, can I open it and put it in there?
No, ma'am. Mommy got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Ooh.
There we go. So, Amaya, step back.
My hero.
Here,
That's
Anderson.
me.
Here, Anderson.
Oh.
We're taking turns. We're taking turns.
Look, Jesus is my hero.
Jesus is my hero.
My hero. Ooh, this smells good.
Oh.
No, that's just good.
Oh, yeah, can I do that, Mommy?
We gotta spray it. This is your way you spray the pan.
I don't like that. That smells nasty.
This is your way. So our cupcakes won't stick. This is the way we spray our pan. Spray our pan. Spray our pan. This is the way we spray our pan so our cupcakes won't stick. This is the way we spray our pan. Hey, spray our pan. Spray our pan. This is the way we spray our pan so our cupcakes won't stick. Alrighty.
Yay.
Okay, Anderson, trade places with Ashton. Let him stir a little bit.
And
Pass the spoon off. Don't drop it in.
That's nasty, Mommy.
Come on, get all around the side. We've already preheated our oven to 350. Yeah. And guess what we're gonna do while our cupcakes are baking?
What?
Like Uno.
Yeah!
Guess who's gonna win? Mommy.
No, me. Subscribe. Look, I own squad.
Come on, let's let one of the girls do it. Amaya, your turn.
Wait, stop pushing.
No.
There's a girl and a boy.
Girl and boy, what?
Subscribe.
Okay, let mommy see. Here, Aaliyah.
Subscribe. You love us.
Get out the camera. We'll see.
I'm the only one that doesn't have no loose tooth. I don't have no loose tooth. And I only have 2 bigger teeth. I didn't have no
Be
teeth.
nice. Okay, it's time to pour our mixture in the thing.
Pass
We're gonna like turn the camera around.
Well, that look cool.
Excuse me. I'm left-handed. You're gonna have to move.
Left-handed. So your left hand is strong.
Extremely strong.
Mom, where's the spoon?
They look good and smell good.
Oh, I want to taste that so much.
Super excited to
It's
smell.
my taste.
No. Excuse me, please.
I want the spoon.
Ooh. Let's see how many we can get out of here. I don't want to make them
all
too big.
get the
And then you can take one for lunch tomorrow.
Yay!
You can
What
eat
if we don't like it? What if don't like it?
Well, I doubt that
The
happens.
best thing of after school is we don't go on Mondays and Fridays.
Yep, no after school tomorrow.
Yeah, but on Tuesday we have to go.
Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Hey, after school. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. After school. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
After school. Hey, Thursday.
No, Amaya, stop asking me for the
After
spoon.
school. Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
Monday, Thursday.
Hey,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
that part.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Oh.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Period.
Period.
Can y'all tell me one, Amaya, tell me one thing you learned at school this week about God.
So we learn
About anything you learned.
about Adam and Eve, and we learn about the BLE, and we learn about everything that we love. That
Alexa.
we love the same God.
Pause.
And then we have a new song, the BLE.
Mhm.
It's not that. It's like our God is awesome. God is right.
Nobody licks the bowl.
Heaven above, they will.
Excuse me.
Our power, our love, our God is awesome.
So squat.
Nobody
Do
nobody
not,
licks the
do
bowl.
not.
Come back.
Okay, 7 hours.
Okay, so
My birthday.
these are how our cupcakes look.
Yeah.
Free cupcake.
Yeah.
Free oven. All right, excuse me.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Excuse
Oven
us.
is what?
Hot.
So do we use the oven?
No.
Who uses the oven? Who uses the oven?
Mommy.
All right. Excuse
If
me.
you ever use an oven, that means you're gonna burn
And you
your
have to ask
hand.
permission. You gotta be like,
You sure do.
You have to get a grown up to help you.
Alrighty, guys. So
gotta
we'll
be
see you
11.
in just a second. After we finish. See you later.
"See you